This is the BK Mueller 889-558 stem and cartridge for the old style BK Mueller faucets with the aluminum handle as well as the style with the tan plastic handle. So we'll go ahead and get it out of the packaging here. A couple things to notice about this stem is down here on this end it will have that squared piece here. And then coming down to this end, see that almost rubber umbrella shaped washer there, and then on the bottom side of that cartridge you'll have those holes all the way around the bottom side. Then coming up you've got that hexed side there, and right above that you've got the two rubber O-rings. We'll go ahead and take a couple measurements starting with a total length. Measuring from the end to end, so it measures right almost, so just shy of right at 11 3/4 inches. And we can also get an outer diameter here at the top. That's going to measure just shy of 3/4 of an inch. And we can also just measure this end piece here. From the bottom of that rubber washer to the top there, that's going to measure right at 3 inches. And yeah, once again, this is the BK Mueller 889-558 stem and cartridge.